When a filter becomes dirty, constant pressure can create a hole in the filter, allowing particulate into the system. This event is called filter blow-by. A simple, low-cost follower pointer can be added to the DP gauge to allow the troubleshooter to identify this problem. A follower pointer is red in color, while the DP range pointer is normally black. During setup, the user sets the red follower pointer against the black DP range pointer and walks away. During operation, the black DP pointer pushes the follower pointer to the highest reading, but the follower pointer does not follow it back down the scale if the DP drops. It will always remain at the highest DP reading until it is reset. This separation is a good indication of filter blow-by and particulate being dumped into the system. When the filter situation is corrected, simply reset the follower pointer against the black DP pointer so it is ready for the next time.